Hello. You have reached the life model decoy of
I'm Chris.
In today's video, while no actual work was filmed while making the video, it is intended for audiences with a sense of humor. Please stand by.
Welcome to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chris. Kind of making an impromptu video today. Hadn't really planned on making one, but I thought, why not? Kind of in project mode today. Not exactly my normal handcrafted by Christopher Kaufman project, but I did have to buy some wood, so I guess it counts. Taking a slowish drive out to Pauline, South Carolina, where today I am working on a concrete slab for a friend of mine. So at the moment, not going that fast because I've got Edna loaded down. She's got 1,000 pounds
So Edna is completely bottomed out. Looks cool. Too bad I can't keep her this way. But anyway, this is where the concrete slab is going to go. I don't have it in position yet because I got to dig some of that out a little bit to get it up against the stairs. But this is going to be the beginning part of a walkway going out to the driveway, because nobody wants to trek through mud every time it rains. So the plan is to possibly do a brick border right along here out to the driveway. This is undecided yet on exactly if it's going to be straight or if it's going to curve and what's going to go in the middle. So we're just doing the first part today of pouring the slab for the base area with all the concrete. 32.673 5 hours later, we have the first 2 bags of 14 pour. Brick village. Already getting concrete on the back of Edna. Should be done in 4 to 6 weeks with the pouring of the initial slab. So let's continue on. Okay, we are roughly halfway through the 14 bags. So we're getting there. It's so hot out here. Had several glasses of water. Where is Steven Garcia? No relation. When you need him. He's usually here for me when I do concrete work. It's raining. It's cooled off a little bit. 3 bags to go. Getting a little wet. It's getting there. There might be hope. I have smallish elf-sized workers helping with the mixing. Alright, I think we're pretty much done here. Unfortunately, it's raining. And my elves melted, so they're gone. So anyway, that was definitely a fun and tiring project. I'm ready to go get a shower. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching Adventures with Edna, and we'll see you in the next one.